So here we are looking at our delete route. We have it set up just as a GET request right now, which may not be the best way to do it. In reality, you'll probably want to do something like this, where when the user presses the delete link or button, they get a little confirmation to make sure that they do indeed want to delete the blog post. But for now, it's good enough, and they'll be sent off to this route. And very similar to the other ones, we run blog post.find1 to look up the blog post. We check the post author to make sure that the person logged in right now is in fact someone who has authority to delete it. And if they are, then we run the post.remove method, which exists on a Mongoose document. It removes it from the database, as well as triggers a bunch of hooks. So if you're listening to events around there, those will be triggered. We haven't really done that, but feel free to look that up in the docs. Anyway, once remove executes the function, it will pass an error if one occurred, and if no error occurs, we redirect them back to the home page where they can see that the blog post has indeed been removed.